designed to reduce cognitive overload and help users focus on what truly matters. Many people struggle with overwhelming thoughts, pending tasks, deadline, important decisions, and long term goals. ThinkMate AI acts as a digital second brain that transforms scattered thoughts into a clear and actionable plan. So this is the ThinkMate AI landing page. The platform is built around a simple idea. So think less about what to do and do more of what matters. So this is the core aim of this project. Users can start a new brain dump, explore a live demo, or directly access their dashboard. The key features highlighted here include the brain dump, AI task extraction, smart next step recommendation, mental load score, decision framework, daily reflection. So together these features help users to organize thoughts, prioritize work and make better decisions. So coming to the brain dump module, the journey begins with the brain dump feature. Users can freely type everything on their mind without worrying about the structure or formatting. So instead of immediately analyzing the input, ThinkMate AI uses an intelligent clarification process called the Akinator Wizard. The AI asks targeted questions to remove ambiguity and better understand the user's situation. For example, it may ask whether certain tasks can be delegated, postponed, or require immediate attention. So, this allows the AI to produce more accurate recommendations and prioritization. And next comes the AI analysis module. So, after gathering enough information, the AI performs a complete analysis. It extracts tasks from the brain dump, identifies deadlines and dependencies, calculates a mental load score, classifies the task using Eisenhower matrix, and recommends one high impact next action. The goal is not to overwhelm the user with long tasks but to provide clarity and focus. Eisenhower matrix. So next we have the Eisenhower matrix. So this feature automatically organizes tasks into 4 categories. That is do now, schedule, delegate and ignore. So this maintains complete user control while benefiting from AI recommendations. Do now is urgent and important tasks that require immediate action. Schedules the important task that can be planned for later, and delegate the task that can be assigned to someone else, and ignore the tasks that are neither urgent nor important. Users can also drag and drop tasks between categories to override AI decisions whenever necessary. Next comes the decision framework. Many people struggle with difficult choices. The decision framework helps users to evaluate options objectively. Users enter a decision such as choosing between two job opportunities. Then the AI identifies important evaluation factors, assigns weights to those factors, scores each option, generates a reasoned recommendation. So instead of giving a random suggestion, the AI explains why one option may be more suitable based on the user's priorities. However, the final decision always remains with the user. And next is the goal breakdown module. Large goals often feel overwhelming. The goal breakdown feature converts ambitious objectives into achievable milestones. For example, if a user wants to become an ethical hacker, the AI creates monthly milestones, learning objectives, practical activities, week one action items, a small first step that can be taken immediately. So, this transforms long term ambitions into manageable progress. Next comes the mental load score. One of the unique feature of ThinkMate AI is the mental load score. The AI evaluates number of tasks, urgency levels, high stake decisions and task dependencies. So using these factors, it generates a score between 0 and 100. So this helps users to understand their current cognitive load and recognize potential burnout before it becomes a problem. And next is the daily reflection. At the end of the day, users can access the reflection module. The AI reviews completed and incomplete tasks and generates an accomplishment summary, personalized encouragement, tomorrow's main focus, carried over tasks. So, this creates a continuous productivity cycle and helps users maintain momentum. Technical architecture. ThinkMate AI is built using a modern full stack architecture. So the front end is developed with React 19, TanStack Router, Tailwind CSS. The backend uses Nitro Server functions, PostgreSQL database, And for intelligence, the Perform integrates multiple AI providers, including Gemini 2.5 Flash and Llama 3.370B. A fallback architecture ensures reliability even if one provider becomes unavailable. So, to conclude, ThinkMate AI is more than a task manager. It functions as a personal thinking partner that helps users to organize thoughts, prioritize tasks, make decisions, and plan long term goals, reflect on their progress. So, by combining AI driven analysis with human decision making, ThinkMate AI helps users to reduce mental overload and focus on meaningful action. Thank you. This is Team Veridian Sparks.